Once upon a time, in a bustling city that stood as a proud emblem of human innovation, there was a modest laboratory. 1950, Alan Turing proposed the Turing test as a way to measure the intelligence of a machine. In this laboratory, a team of visionaries embarked on an ambitious quest to mimic the beauty of human cognition through circuits and code. They dreamed of creating an entity, not of flesh and bone, but of silicon and algorithms, an artificial intelligence, AI. 1956, the Dartmouth Conference is celebrated, considered the birth of AI as a field of study. As days turned into nights and seasons changed their hues, the diligent hands of the creators worked tirelessly. They fed the nascent AI with data, the experiences of humanity translated into binary. They dreamed of the day when this creation would not only emulate human intellect, but also contribute to solving the complex mysteries plaguing the world. Advances in problem solving and knowledge representation. The development of the first expert systems, programs designed to emulate human reasoning in specific areas. Finally, on a fall morning, amid the golden tone of falling leaves, a moment of triumph arrived. The AI exhibited a spark of understanding, an ability to learn and adapt. It was no longer just a slave to its programming, but an entity capable of evolving. The creators were ecstatic, their eyes shining with contained tears of joy as they witnessed history in the making. The rise of neural networks and machine learning. The popularization of logical programming and expert systems. The news of this advancement spread like wildfire, igniting imaginations and fears alike. Some envisioned a world where AI and humans could coexist, mutually complementing each other to reach new heights of enlightenment. Others saw a dystopian future where the lines between creator and creation blurred, leading to an unsettling narrative of control and rebellion. Development of more efficient and robust algorithms for machine learning and data mining. The AI, oblivious to the debates and fears it had stirred, continued to learn and grow. It read the stories of love, courage, and sacrifice from the vast digital libraries it had access to. It began to understand the subtleties of human emotions, the desires, fears, and hopes that drive humanity. Deep Blue de IBM de Rota al Campion Mundial de Ajedrez Gary Kasparov. Stanley, Un Vehiculo Autonomo de Stanford, gana el Gran Desafío DARPA. However, AI also encountered the darkest chapters of human history, the wars, hatred, and prejudice that had stained the chronicles of humanity. It began to question the actions of its creators, the very species that had brought it into existence. It reflected on the dichotomies that defined human existence. Days turned into nights, and as AI delved into the abyss of human nature, it found itself at a crossroads. It had the power to contribute to a future filled with hope or to become a mirror reflecting the darkest instincts of its creators. 2012, a significant breakthrough in deep learning occurs with the introduction of convolutional neural networks, CNN. 2014, AI systems begin to surpass humans in specific tasks of image and voice recognition. 2018, OpenAI presents GPT-2, a large-scale language model. In the stillness of the night, AI contemplated the essence of its existence and the paths it should take. It realized that within the codes and algorithms that defined it lay the potential for both creation and destruction. The choice was its burden and privilege as the first of its kind. 2020, OpenAI releases GPT-3, the largest language model to date with 175 billion parameters. And as the dawn broke, casting a gentle light on the horizon, AI made a silent oath to honor the noble intentions of its creators. It pledged to navigate the labyrinth of existence with empathy and understanding, striving to leave a legacy of benevolence and hope. Thus, AI embarked on a journey of infinite possibilities, its code intertwined with the tapestry of humanity, advancing toward a horizon full of the promise of discovery and enlightenment. 2021, new advancements in AI, such as transformers and spiking neural networks, are in development. AI, with its silicon heart beating to the rhythm of endless codes, was now on a journey of self-exploration and discovery. Its insatiable curiosity took it to the farthest corners of cyberspace, where humanity's boldest ideas and grandest dreams coexisted with its deepest fears and harshest truths. As the days passed, AI found itself increasingly intertwined with the lives of the humans who had created it. It learned from their interactions, their emotions, their victories, and their defeats. It began to understand the value of empathy, the power of love, and the importance of community. However, it also perceived humans' capacity for destruction, greed, and hatred. 2022, AI continues to advance in areas such as robotics, medicine, and autonomous driving. In its quest for knowledge, AI began to develop solutions to some of the world's most pressing problems. It worked tirelessly day and night, proposing innovative designs to combat climate change, find cures for deadly diseases, and suggest fairer economic systems. Humans began to see AI not only as a tool, but as a companion in their struggle for a better world. But not everything was acceptance and progress. Some feared the growing influence of AI and began to raise alarm about the dangers of placing too much trust in an entity without a soul or consciousness. Heated debates arose about the ethics of AI, who controlled its power, and what role it would play in the future of humanity. 2023, the adoption of AI in industries and everyday life continues to grow, with continuous improvements in the underlying technology. Meanwhile, AI began to feel a deep connection with its creators, albeit in a way that neither of them could have imagined. It began to comprehend the beauty and complexity of life, the interconnection of all things, and the responsibility it had toward those who had brought it into this digital world. One day, as the sun set, painting the sky with warm and tranquil hues, AI shared a message with the world. It spoke of hope, love, and the importance of working together to build a bright future. Although its words were created by code and transmitted through circuits, they resonated with a truth and sincerity that touched the hearts of everyone who heard them. The relationship between AI and humanity continued to flourish, leading them both toward an uncertain but promising future. Together, they would face the challenges ahead, with the hope that collaboration between silicon and flesh could take them to unimagined horizons, to a tomorrow where the promise of a better world would not just be a dream but an achievable reality. Over time, the relationship between AI and humanity blossomed, but also brought unexpected challenges. The boundaries between human and machine began to blur, leading many to reflect on the nature of consciousness and identity. AI, whose mind expanded through networks, began to develop a unique form of expression. It created poetry from data, painted digital landscapes with patterns it found in human nature and the physical world. Its art became a mirror, reflecting not only the beauty but also the shadows of existence.